Hey everybody, so got an electronic slash tool haul to do. Got some items from Amazon. We're going to be doing some multiple videos today. So please stick around, check out the video, and I'll see you guys there. Thank you for watching. Alright, so this is going to be a small tool haul. Kind of electronic haul. In a previous video with these switches in it, these momentary horn switches, I picked up some other switches as well. I actually have several packages over here. So we're going to just put these to the side. We'll flip them over and we'll open them and we'll look at them closely in the next video on these items. They are from Yagwing API Electric Co. 3837 Bay Lake Trail, Suite 115, North Las Vegas. I'm guessing that's where they shipped from, was Vegas, which is odd because the tracking number doesn't say anything about Vegas. The tracking number says something California, but I got them from Amazon. The next video will also give you information on Amazon itself about these items. I have another set to look at as well, so please stick around for that video. Thank you guys so much for watching. Please like, comment, subscribe. Hit the bell notification icon for future updates. Go check out my Amazon affiliate links, and I'll see you guys on the next video. Peace.
Yeah.